Hello, how are you all? I hope everyone is well. And everyone's trading is going well. So in today's video, I will show you the best IQ option script. It is a paid script, and you can download it for free. The download link will be given in the video description box. There will be a website link there that you can download. And there may be some advertisements on the website. You will have to download them with a little difficulty. So those who have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe to get updates and notifications of the next video. And of course, stay with me and give the video a like. And this script may not work in the market sometimes. Do not depend on the script at all, because the script will always give signals after some time. You can trade with your own analysis and then with the confirmation of the script. Its chance of winning will be 60 to 80%. I am showing you a trade.
Overthink it, baby. It's just me. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me